You know what that is? That's a sea of Swifties.
See what?
A sea of Swifties, Jimmy.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, do I have to help you get up with the time? Swifties. It's what diehard Taylor Swift fans are affectionately known as, and any Swiftie will tell you they would do just about anything to get their hands on tickets to Taylor's The Eras tour. And, well, it's almost impossible.
It's almost impossible. Almost.
Almost.
Almost impossible. As a matter of fact, we know a guy.
We know a guy.
We got a guy. That guy joins us this afternoon at Historic Studio D. This is Gary John, the host of The Ride Home with Gary John on Coast Country 103.9 and 106.3. How you doing?
Jimmy, Lisa, I'm doing great. How are you?
Good, wonderful. Thanks for coming in.
I appreciate it.
So, listen, what is Big Ticket Bonanza?
Yes, so we're so excited that we're able to put this together. It's kind of all come in at the last minute here, but we've teamed up with our friends at Wawa to do an opportunity for our listeners here on Delmarva to do just what you were describing. Go see Taylor Swift's sold-out show at Lincoln Financial Field. She's doing 3 nights. We've got tickets for May 12th and May 13th.
Oh.
That over the next 3 weeks, we're going to be giving our listeners a chance to come and join us out on the road to qualify to win those tickets. And then the first weekend in May, we're going to throw a big party at one of the local Wawas here on the shore, and 4 lucky listeners are going to win a pair of tickets to go see her in Philadelphia live.
That's big.
Yeah,
That's
it's
big.
huge.
So, as someone who works in the music industry, talk to us about this Taylor Swift craze. Have you seen anything like this?
In my history, I can't recall anything like this. I would imagine, people will say it's sacrilegious maybe to compare it to Beatlemania of the 60s,
yeah.
But she broke the internet in November. I mean, when the pre-sale went on, Ticketmaster had to go to Capitol Hill because the internet got shut down because nobody could get the tickets that they wanted. And there's a potential that things are going to change as a result of that. And you can't buy them, on Ticketmaster at this point.
They're sold out.
The secondary market, unless you've got over $1,000 to put on a seat, you're not going to get into these shows. So the opportunity for you to come out, see us, and that's the favorite part for us, is a chance to see our listeners in person. Me being the new guy, I just celebrated 6 months here on Coast Country, so I haven't gotten to meet a lot of listeners yet, so I'm really looking forward to the opportunity. Come join us when we're out. Get you registered. 40 lucky qualifiers are going to be in the mix to win those tickets that first weekend in May. And the cool part is everyone that qualifies for the Big Ticket Bonanza, you're going to win tickets to something, because we've also got tickets to Eric Church in Virginia Beach.
So you can other artists as well.
Yep, Chris Stapleton, Jelly Roll. So, everyone's going to walk away with something, but 4 lucky Coast Country listeners are going to win a pair of tickets to be a Swiftie for a day in Philadelphia.
Gary, I don't know if it was a good idea for you to come on TV, because now people know what you look like, and these Swifties are going to be out looking for you out and about.
Trust me, guys, my wife is now worried. It's going to be fine.
Well, you're the guy with the tickets, though. That's where I'm going.
That's all that matters right there.
I will tell you, we'll keep them locked up safe while we're out. So,
the tickets, not the
trying to
listeners.
reach into my pockets while we're out and about is not going to work.
You're not going to have it. Okay. So I'm sure there's specific rules for this giveaway. They're always, and they're available online.
They sure are. You go to coastcountry.com. Right on our homepage, you scroll through, you'll find the picture of Taylor Swift. Click there, all the details, where the qualifying stops are going to be and when. The simple rules are: come and see us for the qualifying remotes.
Right.
If you qualify, you got to show up to the grand finale, and then 4 lucky listeners are going to win tickets to see Taylor Swift. It's the Big Ticket Bonanza, all thanks to our friends at Wawa.
All right, Gary, thank you so much for coming in. I know a lot of people are going to want to get in on all that action.
And that's true. Have you got a favorite Taylor Swift song?
Shake It Off.